All right, today we're going to make Bob's famous rum punch. And we start with some spiced rum, Bacardi in this case. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour some into the glass. I like to pour about 30% into the glass. Uh-oh. It's the end of that bottle. You know I like to make these. Then take some orange juice, shake it up, put another 30%, fill up the glass, 30 more percent. Next, I like to be just a little heavier on the pineapple juice. Yum, my favorite. And then we've got some alcoholic grenadine, straight from Pennsylvania. First time this one's been used. I like to pour a lot in there. I like the red. Yum. Look at that. Look at the beautiful color of those babies. Next up, stir that stuff around a little bit. Get that beautiful grenadine all mixed up in there so it's all throughout the glass. Nice and pink for the rum punch. And to top this baby off, we're going to put some maraschino cherries in there. And we like stemmed maraschino cherries, which we happen to have here. Yum. And then just a little tad of the juice from the maraschino cherry jar in there. And there we are. Bob's famous rum punch.